On your Home tab, click on the top three dots on the right-hand side. Then click Pay SSS. Great! Now enter your 10-digit SSS number and click Next. Now you will need to deposit money to your account. Click Learn More to see the options. You can deposit money to Superfarm or GMT, or you could make a wire transfer by sending money to your account from your Israeli bank accounts or from your postal DOR account. As you'll see, these are the details you need to enter when sending the money to your Rewire account. Make sure to include your passport number or ID and your phone number in the comment section. That way we'll know where the money goes to. Go and make your deposit, and once it's been made, you'll see in your balance 68 shekels. That's the amount you should make. Go back to the top right, click Pay SS, type in your 10-digit again, click Next. Confirm your order. As you can see, there's no fee. Click Pay Now. Great! Rewire has sent your request to SSS services. It usually takes about 1 hour to get approved, and you will be notified when the payment has been approved, and you can see it in your History tab. That's it, you're done.